Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're looking at how our handles are reversed when delivered to yourselves. Most of the handles that we display on our website are actually in position. So sometimes we'll get the inquiry, are the handles reversible? Because we can see the screw holes on the video, but our handle wants to go in the opposite direction. Well, it's simple. When our handles are dispatched, they're normally dispatched like that. So if you wanted it in the opposite hand, you simply revolve it round to the opposite direction. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.